In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to buy online with crypto. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have crypto available and you would like to use some portion or the entirety of your crypto assets to buy stuff online, then you will be able to follow the instructions in this video to get it done. In this video, I'm going to be recommending what I believe is the best and most convenient way to purchase any gift card or any item available online in various different websites and services using crypto as the payment method. So to do this, visit bitrefill.com. In here, you can already notice the amount of services that they have. So stuff like Uber, Uber Eats, DoorDash, Apple, a digital prepaid Visa card, Amazon.com. You can even buy eSIM, gaming related stuff, and so on. So there's a lot to explore. When you access this page through a web browser on your computer or your phone, you can click on any gift card and then input the amount. So they will give you some presets here, or you can enter the amount and then proceed to checkout. I'm going to visit some of these pages just so you see what it looks like. Now, some gift cards might not be available in your area, so just visit their page, see if it is, and if it is, you can proceed to checkout by adding them to your cart. For most of these, you don't even require an account. As long as you have an email address, they will be able to send you the code and then you can activate it on your own. If you feel more comfortable, you can sign into an account at the top. Now, once you have all of the items that you want to purchase added to your cart, proceed to checkout. So click on cart, select checkout, input your email address that will be used for the delivery, and now you can choose the payment method. So you can connect a wallet at the top right corner of the screen, but this is going to be optional. As long as you choose any of these payment methods listed here, you will be able to proceed. So for example, if you select Bitcoin, they are going to convert the amount that you will have to transfer. You can select continue, then you can choose a specific wallet, or you can just continue to the next step and they will give you a QR code and the wallet address that you need to issue a payment to in order to complete this order. Once you issue the payment, they will send you the code to activate your gift card. I hope I was able to help you on how to buy online with crypto. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.